Welcome, family, friends, and loved ones. We are gathered here today surrounded by God's beauty and nurtured by the sights and sounds of nature to celebrate the wedding of Erin and Sean.
So what I love the most about Sean is that he's my best friend. So getting to marry my best friend, I feel extremely blessed and lucky. You know, he's super adventurous, courageous, funny, but he's also very loving.
Love at first sight's kind of a weird thing, right? But it was the first day of our history class. She caught my eye right away. I don't know, I just knew there was something special about this girl that I needed to find out. It was pretty much at first sight. I was drawn in right away, and there was something about it. So beautiful.
Oh, you look so handsome. You look so handsome.
I love you. Oh my God, this dress is perfect. It's perfect.
Look at one another now and remember this moment in time. These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever.
Sean Michael, if there's one thing I'm certain of while standing in front of you today, it's that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. But what I'm not certain of is exactly when I fell completely head over heels in love with you. Maybe I have such a hard time remembering the exact moment I fell totally and unequivocally in love, because from the moment I met you, my soul knew that it found its forever.
I'm so happy to profess my love for you in front of our family and friends. I'm so excited to learn alongside you, to grow old with you, and to leave a legacy of love behind. Let our journey begin.
Erin and Sean, by the power of your love and commitment to each other, and since you are already legally married in Colorado, I am thrilled to now publicly announce you as husband and wife. Sean, you may kiss your bride.
Found my truth and I made my way. I was much too used to being so afraid. Didn't recognize my own desire till I saw your face.
Seriously, I can't think of someone better to take care of my sister. Cherish her the way that she's meant to be cherished, because she's a beautiful, beautiful woman, inside and out. I love you both very, very much.
Only time will tell what we're made of. I feel like myself when I have your love. I don't really.
Sean and I met in high school in computer class, and then we went to college. And I remember he called me. I met this girl in class, and I really like her. But there's one problem. She's a Steelers fan. And I'm gonna speak directly to you, Erin. The way he talked about you, it was like there was no one else in the world, no one else mattered. And you lived up to the hype. You really did.